Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about slash options and context menus. So what are these both? So previously in the last video I explained that you can't actually add you can't actually not add a description to to the command and the slash options. Now I will be teaching you guys about the slash options. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new file. Then we're gonna name it testing cmd.py, and then we're just gonna copy basically everything from here. And then we're gonna paste it here. Since we don't really want to waste a lot of our time, much of our time really. So now let's name this testing cmd. Then we're gonna put here testing cmd, which basically stands for testing command. Anyways, now let's make our command. So te test as me, this is just a name, I guess. And you could also add a name equal, basically if you just want a different name and also a different function. Let's name this, for example, te test as, and it will work just fine. But anyways, the main topic of this is so that we could actually uh add add the add the slash commands, s- the slash options. Also, I forgot to add this since it's pretty important. So we're gonna add self here as well. And now let's indent this, since these stuff are actually pretty large. So we're gonna do comma, and then we're gonna do let's say we want to name our slash option arg. We also could make it a string. Then we're gonna do equal nextcord dot slash option. We're gonna do parentheses, and then we're gonna indent that as well so that it looks kind of clean. So now let's add a name equal. This is not actually important, but the important thing is the descriptions in these, um because of what Discord did. I'm going to show you that picture again, and here it is. So clearly telling that we can't we can't not use descriptions for these type of stuff. So let's name this arg. Then we're gonna add a description equal. Then we're gonna make a string. Then let's say uh arg1, um and then we're gonna add, let's say, required equal true. Actually we could make this false. It's a boolean, as you can see here. And it's missing. So now let's just add that for no reason, possibly. Then we're gonna add arc2 equal next chord dot slash option. We're gonna do parentheses again, and then we're gonna indent this. So now let's add a description equal. we're gonna add parent we're gonna add equal, and then the string, and then we're gonna add arg2 arg2. So now let's give this required equal false, and then we're gonna add something called choices, as it is a list or a dictionary. So I will teach you those. So let's say choices equal, we're gonna do a string, and then we're gonna add three strings. You could add I think as many as you want, maybe like 25 maximum, anything, maybe even higher. But anyways, Now we're gonna add red and then green and then blue RGB. Oh, and we need to add this comma, else it will give us an error saying invalid syntax. So now we're gonna do let's say if arg actually need to do that we don't need to do this since it's already required. Then let's add uh let's basically just add r basically the message here. So now we're gonna do if if in if arg2, then we're gonna do await interaction dot send if oops you have chosen, and then we're gonna do arg2, I guess. So now let's try this. So let me just check. Okay, so there is guild IDs, so it actually registers. Oops. Oops. Oh, oops, I haven't actually ran it. So now back to Discord, and then now we're going to test our command. So what was the name of our command again? It was a test as. Oh look, there is our command. So test as, we're gonna do, let's say hello. Actually, wait, hello world. And then we're gonna do arc2. So here we have our choices, since we did add this choices thing here. So now let's try red. So hello world, and you have chosen red. This is really awesome. So what if I just don't set this, let's say hello world, but not set this. So I've made an if statement for that. It's checking if arc2 has a value, and if so, then it will send this message. So no matter what we pick in this option, so hello world here, we can do like let's say blue or maybe green after that, and then it will uh just select that. You can I don't know how much option choices that you can add, but so this is the basics of a slash option. Let me also show you something called sub commands. So this only works with slash commands, I guess. So now let's do test as me dot, we're gonna do a sub command. We're gonna add a name and description. So since basically it will remove this command, and it will only show its sub commands. So we're just gonna add self interaction Nextcord dot interaction. Then we can just uh pass this, I guess. Okay, so now we're gonna add our description here. So description equal, then a string, and then we're gonna add what should we add? A sub command for test as. Then we're gonna do async dev te test sub command 1, self interaction self, and then interaction, and then we're gonna add away interaction dot send sub command. You can just write your code here, I guess. And then let's do test as me. Actually, let's copy this and then paste it again. Um, then we're gonna do test subcommand 2. Then we're gonna do subcommand 2. So these are very cool uh vigilantes that Discord has added. So let's go back to Discord and then let's do a slash, and then after that we're gonna do what was the name of the command? It was test me. Okay, so test me. So as you can see, you can't actually see test as uh, alone. You can only see its sub commands. So now let's try this. So test as and then here is an subcommand. If I try test oops test as subcommand 2, then it will send subcommand 2. So it completely works, and that is great. So now let's add our context menus, and the first one we will add is something called uh user commands. So Nextcord dot user command, you can basically just do this like bot dot user underscore command if you're in the main file. But since we are in cogs, we're just gonna do Nextcord dot user command, then our brackets, and then I don't think this actually takes a description if I am correct. So let me add name equal let's go for test user cmd. Then we're gonna do async dev test user cmd. Actually, wait, no. I don't think you can actually add these capitalized. I mean, we can try them to see if they actually work, but I don't think it actually will. So interaction, and then we're gonna do user. So now we will do, actually wait, no, member. We're gonna do member. Then here we're gonna do away interaction dot send if let's do hello hello. Then we're gonna do member dot mention from interaction dot user dot mention. Then we can basically uh just do the same thing here. You could add up to 5 user commands and message commands, I guess. So now let's try message commands as well. So message command, then we're gonna do test message command, then we're gonna do just, then we will replace message. So we're gonna do message, and then we will just send in the message dot content. You can't actually do message only, since it will just uh, add, add the ID and everything else other than the message, I think. So just do message dot content, since it only sends the exact message. So now let's try this. So I guess we could try these names now. Um so let's try. Wait, did I add guild IDs? I don't think I did. That's why they are not showing up. Okay, so let me add these guild IDs equal guilds. You actually need to like do this. If your guild ID is only one value, but even if it's only one value but it's in a list, then you're gonna have to do guilds, just plain guild. So now let's add guild IDs equal guild, I guess. So user commands is a command. So basically, if I like let's say I right clicked on Dank Beamer, then there should be something called apps. I'm gonna show you this after I uh I run this. So let's run this now. So as you can see, everything's fine. um Actually, yeah, you can actually add these capitalized stuff, so I guess that is pretty cool. So oh, I don't think this is a real really huge deal, but I have the test user command and the test message command the same names. But anyways, let's say uh pills red panda, I guess. We're gonna do apps, and then we're gonna do test message command. Then as you can see, pills red panda, this is really cool. And then let's say I so this is the user command, and what I show you is the message command. So now let's click this, I guess, and then hello dank memer from Flamius Flow, because the member is the person who I issued the application on. And then here the interaction.user is basically who issued the user command. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I will see you in the next video, and goodbye. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.